to be for you. You're with me, Salil, और मेरे साथ this one girl who has just sort of dominated the world of social media, dominated the world of acting. She's one of the I would say one of the brightest and most beautiful stars that we have. And the thing is, she's still so much younger than I am, and I feel so old. Crystal, thanks for joining me.
It's always a pleasure.
You know, and we've had so many chats over the years, and the best thing is, half that I've met Crystal professionally very less. We've had chats on a plane, we've had chats on sets, in restaurants, outside restaurants, and the best part is, you know, I've just seen you grow over the years. I'm going to come to that. But this gentleman right here, you know, when I meet this, how should I say it, this overtaking of our music industry in the right way, and I'm very happy about that, by so many Punjabi singers, and I've been saying this, you know, I met Hardy the other day, every time I meet Guru, every time I meet Diljit Paji, and I always tell them this, yaar, ye ek aisa daur aa gaya hai, which is fantastic for music, because I think there's also a zone जहाँ पे original music का खात्मा जैसे हो गया भैया 2016 से, it's working, जो भी नया चल रहा है वो चल रहा है, but इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि नया नहीं बनना चाहिए. Suki, thank you so much for joining me. और ये जो आपकी जर्नी रही, इनकी जर्नी तो दुनिया देख चुकी है, right? Because she's one of the most popular stars that there is. तुम्हारी जर्नी behind the scenes थी. तुम्हारी जर्नी एक बोर्ड पर होती है with button और even the mic वो closed दरवाजे के पीछे रहती है. उससे उभर के बाहर आना, you know, बड़े-बड़े नाम, चाहे he's collaborated with Bohemia. इंडिया में लोग इतना नहीं जानते, लेकिन in London one of the biggest stars that there is, Asian underground stars, fantastic. गुरु के बारे में तो सब जानते हैं, रफ्तार. बट दूसरे जब यू नो वो एक लाइन असेंबली लाइन जैसे रहती है, जो आगे वाले एकदम जाके सब सुपरस्टार बन रहे हैं, क्या ये रीजन होता है कि इतने सारे जो उनकी जो कोर टीम थी, या जैसे आप जैसे कंपोजर्स थे, यू आल्सो डिसाइडेड टू कम इन फ्रंट?
आई बेसिकली स्टार्टेड एज ए हॉबी. आई स्टार्टेड रीमिक्सिंग सॉन्ग्स व्हेन आई वाज इन स्कूल एंड कॉलेज, राइट? तो तब ऐसे रीमिक्स करते करते तब बोहेमिया की एल्बम आई, एंड अंडरग्राउंड हिप हॉप सीन इन नॉर्थ, if you go चंडीगढ़, दिल्ली, बहुत ज़्यादा था. Everyone wanted to be a rapper. It was like if you अगर आप एक ब्रिक उठाओगे तो नीचे से रैपर मिलेगा, ऐसे ट्रॉल बन गए थे तब, राइट?
बट अच्छे रैप भी कर रहे थे, ऐसा नहीं कि फालतू रैप.
So there were a lot of groups चंडीगढ़ में. Desi Beam, one of the biggest group, Two Shades, they were great groups. So I used to make beats for them. तो वो धीरे से beats बनते. So once I met Bohemia, I always had a dream that I wanted to meet Bohemia, because he is the creator of Desi hip hop. You can say he is the one who introduced Punjabi rap. तो ये एक हॉबी थी, एक बीट बना के इनको कभी मिलूंगा, एंड वो धीरे धीरे हॉबी करियर में कन्वर्ट हो गई. सो आई स्टार्टेड एज ए म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर, यू नो, बट व्हेन यू आर फ्रॉम ए नॉर्मल फैमिली, मिडिल क्लास फैमिली, you have to make big videos, you have to be in industry, you can see there is a lot of competition.
Of course.
So you need time. तो मेरे को 5-6 साल टाइम लगा फॉर द इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, ऑलराइट, फॉर द एक्सपीरियंस, तो सब कुछ कैसे सॉर्टेड वे में करना है. सो वंस सारा कुछ सही हो गया, देन फाइनली आई हैड माई ट्रैक जैगुआर विद बोहेमिया. सो दैट वाज समथिंग दैट गेव मी मोर मोटिवेशन एंड लाइक लेट्स किल इट.
यू नो, आई फील वेरी बैड विद बोहेमिया, बिकॉज जब बोहेमिया यहाँ पे 10 साल पहले आए थे ना, तब हमें इतना नॉलेज नहीं था कि हाउ बिग बोहेमिया वाज. So I know that he was a very big star in London and in Punjab, but ये डिजिटल का ज़माना बहुत अलग है अब, you know. So I remember पूरे white पहन के यहाँ बैठा हुआ था, and you know he was doing it. And at that point of time, I didn't realize how big he was until the coming years.
Right.
उसके हर साल के बाद अगर गुरदास जी का नाम लेते थे तो बोहेमिया का भी नाम लेते थे.
He is legend in his own zone. Yeah.
So I realized this. So you know, my apologies बोहेमिया. आप 10 साल के बाद दोबारा आ जाओ इंडिया. मैं बता रहा हूँ, ऐसा इंटरव्यू होगा, ऐसा मस्ती होगा.
He is in India right now.
इंडिया में है.
Yeah.
नया ट्रैक जब निकालेंगे तब आएंगे बीवी होगी, आप पैसे लगेंगे ना थोड़े.
बिल्कुल.
But the girl sitting in the middle, you know, there's been a metamorphosis, and I love this about you. The last 5 years, the digital revolution changed your life also.
That's very true.
You know, I think you were always, you know, one of the faces, one of the pretty faces on television. But there was this breakthrough that wasn't happening. But with the digital world, what did you do that managed to win? This I have to ask this.
So everyone, I feel, takes social media like a task.
Yeah.
Ki what do we post and this and that. I don't bother. I just post what I feel like posting.
Please, no.
Yes.
My
Dude.
Hello. Yeah.
What?
I just post that I feel like. Okay. Proof is in the pudding. No, we will show you.
But I'm not stressed about it.
हाँ, but now
I don't wake up every morning.
ये 10 फोटोज चेक करते होंगे, इनमें से कौन सी डालूंगा.
इतनी खूबसूरत ये. Okay, one. This is post पूरी posing के साथ ये पूरा setup हुआ है. So if we go back over time, so this is what I did. if I can't show
This
you.
is his. This is his chashme.
So we are discussing Crystal's
मेरे को अभी पता लगा पता है
candid posts. You know, करण जौहर ने सारी कहानियां सुना दी थी कि उसकी एक भी एयरपोर्ट लुक जो है ना,
हाँ
3 महीने से प्लानिंग चल रही होती है,
Decide.
20 दिन पहले प्लानिंग चल रही होती
मेरी
है.
ऐसी कोई
तो
प्लानिंग
ऐसे मत बोलो कि यार सिंपली ऐसे हो
देखो
जाता
हम तो ऐसे ही उठ के आ जाते हैं यार
You know who clicks my pictures?
Who?
My driver.
है.
He just clicked my picture for today.
टैलेंटेड गाय
Damn talented because he loves clicking. I love being clicked. We are all happy.
So this is now, but let's just talk about the fact when you suddenly realize that, you know, this is another great avenue जहाँ से I can really reach out to the world. My space, what I want to show them, whether it's my acting, whether it's me, or whether it's my personal life, like when did you start taking it very seriously also?
So what happened was my character Jivika was really
Yeah,
big,
I know that.
and everyone used to call me Jivika, Jivika, Jivika. And then simultaneously Twitter was getting big, Insta was getting big, Facebook was getting big, and I used to just post there. And suddenly when I went out one day, a girl said, "Dee, I follow you on Instagram. You're damn pretty, Crystal." And she said Crystal, and I was like, wow.
Really?
I was like, so this is how you get to people with your real name. So there's like this barricade, and there's like this complete different person that I'm on TV.
Yeah, yeah.
And then you'll not find any of that on my social media.
Correct, obviously.
I don't post anything in that whole look or anything. You'll find Crystal and only Crystal.
And if she posts in that look, she'll charge for it. But that's a good thing.
Savage,
So
100.
but so this suddenly started to become very big, and you know, I think India mein TV dominates a lot of social media, especially Instagram. You know, the fan following is insane. There are very few film stars. You know, there'll be about 50 film stars.
Right.
There are 500 big TV stars. You know,
Right.
is that also how you knew about Crystal? जो पहली बार when you were, you know, you're following and
she keeps on popping on everyone's Instagram
That's true,
Explorer.
man.
She's very
तो
famous.
stalk किया कभी Crystal को ऐसे?
Yes,
आज क्या
अभी
कर
भी I
रहे
do. You know, everyone stalks her. Like
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
my parents know
How many millions are following?
4.3.
4.3.
That's 43 lakh people. 43 lakh.
So it was 3.9 before the song. It's 4.3 and मेरा अभी तब 1 लाख ही बढ़ा है इनका 4 लाख बढ़ गया.
हम अपने लाखों की बात नहीं करेंगे. हम लोग हजारों में खेल रहे हैं और हमारे कैमरा के पीछे सब hundreds and tens में खेल रहे हैं. You know, so this became a very big social currency also. You know, and now the world has changed so much. I've seen film castings on Instagram.
Yeah.
I've been part of 2 films which are going to be releasing in 2019 where the song has been decided and big names, all of them, with the social reach also. So now this is a very popular and very strong currency. Is it now difficult to get away from this world also? It's like, you know, once you're in there, now the world expects something out of there. I know that, you know, you probably post lesser than what you did earlier maybe,
Yeah.
and maybe not as candid as you choose to, but is it now something you have to plan very carefully now?
I tried cutting off, honestly. If you go check my Instagram, 4 days ago I cut off from social media because you know, sometimes you're just going through so much in your personal life that you don't want to be portraying that your life is so good, you know, out there, because no one is posting their failures.
Yeah, yeah.
But that does not mean that you post to the world that you're only happy.
Yeah.
You can take a break. So I tried taking a break, but unfortunately, because of work, you can't take a break for that long.
You know,
So-
people say that this is all rubbish. यार ऐसे कैसे यार ये you have to be there on काम और क्योंकि आप काम के लिए उस पे हैं then you end up like saying then why you only liking friends pictures and all then your social stigma also happens.
Yeah.
With
Yeah.
you it must be happening. You have liked these 7 people's pictures. Why have you not liked mine also?
Right.
Yeah.
How to deal with that?
I you know what I do honestly. I follow very few people.
Yeah.
All the people I follow, every picture they post, I like. There's no झंझट. सारे दोस्त हैं, सारे
Blanket
post
rule.
कर रहे हैं. अच्छा ही post कर रहे होंगे. If I see some controversial person in that picture, I might not like it. And then I have a valid reason also. See, I can't like it because you know.
This is also one of the reasons, you know, why Crystal is in this fantastic video, which of course Sukhi is going to sing about. But I've also said this, हमारे जो पंजाबी singers हैं, they're brilliant with social media, they're brilliant with the online digital world.
जी.
You know, मुझे लगता है कि हमारे बॉलीवुड के सिंगर्स बहुत लेट इसमें आए हैं.
Right.
और आधे से ज्यादा तो आज भी कुछ नहीं जानते, मैनेजर्स रखते हैं.
बिल्कुल जी.
But you know, like दिलजीत, पहली बार उसे बनाया था, why are you doing a certain live? He says, ये वाला लाइव करो, इसमें पैसे आएंगे. ये वाला मत करो, इसमें कोई पैसे नहीं आएंगे.
Right.
You know, so the knowledge is very high. ये कैसे? How do you guys have such an intricate knowledge about digital utilization?
For me, it was like when I started,
जी.
मेरे जो दोस्त थे, they were into digital thing. They started their promotion company, digital company. So that's the reason I had बहुत ज़्यादा knowledge about these things. So it's pretty big now in Punjab too.
Yeah.
but
I've never met one Punjab singer with less following. और ऐसा नहीं मैं तो हारे कितने सारे Bollywood singers हैं that are not that big, you know, and today just 100,000, 200,000 is not big for a singer and you know for an artist.
people are crazy about, you know, they want followers, they want likes.
Yeah.
तो एक फोटो के ऊपर लाइक्स भी कम हो जाते हैं ना, कई लोग तो डिलीट कर देते हैं फोटो.
Really?
दोबारा डालेंगे उस पर उतने आने चाहिए जितने. एवरीवन, हर कोई कमेंट्स चेक करता है, हर कोई मैसेजेस देखता है. अगर कोई कहता है कि मैं नहीं चेक करता हूँ, वो झूठ है.
झूठ बोल रहा है.
Everyone is like connected to their Instagram. See, I think दिल भी लगा के रखता है Instagram. You know, you get to know about. It's a news channel for you. You get to know about everything from there.
And television's had a big trouble because of that.
Yeah.
When you're coming
My
out,
newspaper, I stopped newspaper in my house so that I can sit and just scroll through.
that is actually very true also. I've also been scrolling through this only. Even though I work in a place where I need to know a lot of news also. When you come out with a song on YouTube,
जी.
you know, कई बार डर मुझे लगता है कि a lot of negativity can be used
Right.
to sort of make you run away, you know, from it. बहुत सारे comments आते हैं. Some of it can be targeted, which is not true. You as a singer, when you're coming out, 3 साल हो गए as a singer now. How much of that do you really, you know, say is real for yourself? Because now, what is real and what is fake and what is, you know, sponsored by somebody else, ये भी बहुत होता है. ये आजकल होता है singers.
हाँ जी.
How do you deal with that?
When I, you know, पंजाब में criticism बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. When you start, when I started, I had that mohawk haircut with that mustache thing, right? And people बोले कि ये क्या है, ये फुकरा है, what is this? ये. But you know, गाने चल गए. गाना चल रहा था, मेरा इंस्टाग्राम बढ़ रहा था. Maybe that was the reason बढ़ रहा है. Maybe that was something different. But you know, अभी कम आ रही है तो फील हो रहा है कि क्यों नहीं लोग कर रहे हैं ऐसे. एंड ऐसे भी हुआ है. When my song came out, Jaguar, the day it came, my Facebook disappeared. I had 1 million base का Facebook, and जिस दिन गाना आता सुबह मेरा Facebook ही नहीं था. And I was like कहाँ गया? And मेरा गाना उस दिन आना था. Then, but इतना अच्छा था, we like all of the artists, थोड़ा brotherhood इतना है, they support each other. गाना है, सबने share किया. So वो कैसे उड़ा था? I had some problem with someone, so they had my you know passport copies or something. They had मेरे साथ पहले काम करते थे, उन्होंने उड़वा दिया. हाँ, उड़वा दिया. So मेरा Instagram भी एक बार उड़ा
You know,
है.
it seems
बहुत
like
दुख लगता है.
It seems like a very small thing, but this social currency is very huge. You lost your Facebook?
I lost my
You
Facebook. I
can,
got it back after.
एक आर्टिस्ट का करियर मतलब आधा तो खत्म हो सकता है.
Got it back.
Yeah, I faced
मेरे
it
को भी नहीं
recently.
मिला ना
I
फेसबुक
made a
और
new
मेरा
one.
इंस्टाग्राम भी उड़ गया था.
No, we
मेरे
are
को
still
दोबारा
on
बनाना पड़ा.
4.4 million there again.
Yeah.
You're killing it.
Somebody was being me and abusing all the stars with reviews. It was online. I had it suspended, but the damage was already done. ये मेरे साथ भी अभी recently हुआ है. It's a sign of success apparently. मुझे
Right.
लगा 15 साल, इनको लगा 3 साल. तो ये तो 5 साल पहले भूल भी चुकी होगी जब वो successful नहीं थी Crystal. But he's going to sing for us today. And we chat a lot more. We're going to take a little lesson from Crystal how to become popular. You see, she's 4 million. I'm 40,000. So how do we go from 40,000 to 1 lakh? Today we shall learn from the master. Don't go anywhere. All right, you're back on B4U. Star Stop today, Sukhi and Crystal, supremely popular. And you know, I think the dash of very popular and the dash of talent together has become a very good combination. The track that they've sung, which is going to be fantastic. Before we get into the business end of it, लेकिन now is it easy to make a track? Because कई बार मैं बहुत सारे सिंगर्स से बात करता हूँ, कहते हैं पाजी हो जाता है ऐसे. तो हो जाता है ऐसे, उसका फिर डर नहीं लगता कि अगर नहीं चला तो फिर शायद मैंने ज़्यादा काम नहीं किया, शायद बहुत इजीली आ गया, तभी ये डबल गेसिंग हो जाता है.
होता है. देखो, जब आप नए होते हो ना, तब अगर आपका कोई गाना आ रहा है, चले ना चले, देन इट्स ओके. बट जब आप कुछ बन जाते हो, फिर गाना करते हो, देन इट्स लाइक आपके बहुत ज़्यादा आपके कंधों पर एक जिम्मेवारी होती है. यू हैव टू प्रूव समथिंग कि आपको पता है गाना चलना चाहिए, बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. I had that in my mind when my Jaguar song came. It was a massive hit. I was sitting with Basha and I was having word with him. मैंने कहा बाजी मेरा गाना आ गया, Jaguar चल गया, I don't know what to do. Next क्या करूँ? तो he was like कि अगर सोचता ही रहेगा फिर तो कोई तेरे को जवाब ही नहीं मिलेगा. इसका जवाब मैं तो दे ही नहीं सकता. You do something. अगर चला ठीक है, नहीं चला we'll make something else. Then I made All Black with Raftaar. It went great. So उसके बाद कर ही जा रहे हैं. So I think आपको करते रहना चाहिए. You should keep on वर्किंग हार्ड, अपना काम करते रहो. एंड अगर सक्सेसफुल होना होगा, मिलनी होगी सक्सेस, वो तो मिल ही जाएगी.
और मिल ही रही है. और ये सक्सेस पार्टी के अंदर जब ये तड़का और सुपर स्टारडम आया है, ये कैसे हो गया? हाउ डिड यू सडनली डिसाइड टू बी पार्ट ऑफ अ ट्रैक?
So I didn't even decide. I was literally watching some show, chilling in bed. I got a message from music that said that we're shooting a music video would you with Sukhi and this is the team. Would you like to be a part of it? So I said, track भेजो.
हाय.
I thought कि ऐसे ही सुन लूँगी, करने नहीं वाली हूँ.
ये जनरल आंसर होता है.
So then they send the track. I was like, अच्छा भेज दिया play तो कर लेते हैं. I played it. I heard it. Then I read the description again. Director Arvinder Khera, singer Sukhi, music by B Prack, lyrics by Jani.
Yeah.
And I was like, listen, I don't know people like much, like Punjabi people much, but I know all four of them.
That's a complete win.
So I was like, this has to be perfect, right? So I heard the song again. And by the third time, I started singing along. So in between the third time that I was hearing it, I picked up the phone and said, let's shoot.
Dance is also very easy for you, right? You've always been very good with dance, I remember that.
I like grooving. Honestly, choreography is not my scene. But if you just play a song, I'll groove. Like, I get a little tense when someone
That's
says
how
move
Punjabis
hand
do it.
here and left here.
Have you seen him move? That's how Punjabis
I never have any choreography in my song.
It was 4 a.m. and we're shooting this song and he goes full energy, chuck, chuck, chuck. And I'm like, oh my God.
मेरे टेलीविजन के पुराने दिन याद आ गए मुझे जब सुबह 5 बजे मैं शूटिंग कर रही होती और लोग बोलते थे you have to cry. Actually, it must be easy for you.
Yeah, night is always easier for me and long hours are not a problem. It's just the energy that he has. It is so good. So, I just was watching.
Christmas का gift पक्का है हमारा.
But ये जरूरी होता है. I think, the energy that is there, now the audience is also very discerning. पता लग जाता है. अगर हल्का से 50-50 आ जाए ना, उनको लगता है कि no, we're not happy with this guy.
इसी चीज़ के लिए तो वेट करते हैं सर. We wait for that कि कब जाएं कैमरा के आगे, कब जाके ना जो दिल में है सारा मतलब एक स्ट्रेस है पूरा निकाल दें जाके कैमरे के ऊपर. So it's more like that.
फ्लो में नहीं आता ना जब उसी चीज को तोड़ ताड़ के 17 घंटे में करते हैं. Do you enjoy the process of filming?
I do. I think 1-2 दिन होते हैं शूट के तो इतना ज़्यादा. I think for the serial and all for like करते रहना and script वो तो सबसे मुश्किल चीज़ है. मेरे को तो ऐसे होने लग पड़ता है कि एक बाइट देनी होती है ना कि हाँ थोड़ी सी 4 लाइन शोज की बाइट दे दो. वही हो जाता है क्या यार क्या चक्कर.
बेटा यहाँ भी 3 होने वाले इसके बाद.
वो मैंने देखा स्क्रीन में आ रहे हैं आगे. इजी है. नहीं तो याद करने पड़ेंगे. बहुत डिफिकल्ट काम है.
But now that the song is out, the best comment that you've received, lots of, how many million hits already?
It's almost 28 million.
28 million, man.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Biggest compliment that you got from any of your close gurus?
I lost weight in the video. I look different from that.
मैं गाने की बात कर रहा हूँ यहाँ I lost weight in the
I am
video.
talking about the video.
नहीं बाकी
I'm
So
looking
see,
stylish
it was-
in the video.
So it was a mostly मेरे सारे गाने हैं 100 tempo बस नाचो गाना चला बस beat चली. So it's different song. It's 75 tempo. It's out of box. मतलब एकदम जो चल रहा है आजकल reggaeton के ज़माने में मुंबा बीट के ज़माने में we are एकदम doing R&B song. So सबको बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्क लग रहा था कि इट्स ए R&B सॉन्ग एंड इट्स दिसंबर न्यू ईयर टाइम क्रिसमस टाइम कि ये चीज़ रिस्की है. बट आई हैड दैट इन माई मेरे कहते हैं ना एक दिल में होता है कि यार इसमें है वाइब एंड वी शुड डू समथिंग सबसे हटके. अगर हम करेंगे तभी कोई करेगा. एंड जब वो आया एंड मेरे को अच्छे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स सबसे अच्छे मिल रहे हैं कमेंट्स एंड यूट्यूब के ऊपर बहुत अच्छे कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं. सो बेसिकली मोस्टली होता है क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं लोग बट इसमें कर ही नहीं रहे. मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ कहाँ पे हैं. सो 10 में एक नेगेटिव कमेंट एंड दैट्स ओके.
नहीं अच्छा मेरा बेस्ट होता मैं तो नेगेटिव कमेंट्स के साथ बहस भी करने लग जाता.
हाँ
किसी ने बोला भाई सारे इंटरव्यू बड़े अच्छे लेकिन आप इंटरप्ट क्यों कर रहे हो. मैंने कहा यहाँ पे वो नहीं चल रहा है 1-on-1. मैंने कहा कॉन्वर्सेशन होती है कॉन्वर्सेशन में बोलते हो नहीं बट आप मेरी बात नहीं सुन रहे हो. मैं तो लगे रहता हूँ नहीं मेरी बात नहीं सुन रहे हो. आई हैव गॉट इनटू लॉट्स ऑफ आर्गुमेंट्स. हैव यू एवर एंगेज्ड इन ट्रोलिंग?
No, because I feel like if you fight with a pig, you are going to end up in the muck and they're going to enjoy it while you get dirty.
नहीं मैं 10 कमेंट के बाद फिर डिलीट कर देता हूँ.
हाँ मैं तो आई
लेकिन
तो
पहले 10 कमेंट में सारा भड़ास निकाल दूंगा.
मेरे को कोई आता है अगर मतलब नॉर्मली तो भी इग्नोर
Maximum I've said get a life.
यूट्यूब तो बिल्कुल इग्नोर करते हैं. इंस्टाग्राम पे कभी कोई होता है ना कि आज मेरा ही मूड ऐसा है कि हाँ
तो रुक
आज तो
जाओ.
कोई मिल जाए.
कभी ये लाइन यूज की है पंजाब से हो तू जानता मैं कौन हूँ?
नहीं
ऑनलाइन नहीं बोला.
नहीं कभी नहीं
कभी नहीं
बोला.
बोला.
बोलो.
सब जानते होंगे तू कौन है लेकिन
तेनू
तूने
पता ही है मैं कौन है.
Have you ever had to say don't mess with the direct message में जाके I'll show you your place ऐसे कुछ कभी किया है? Never.
Never.
और मैं तो निकाल देता हूँ
block कर
सीधे
देती हूँ.
गाली गुली निकाल के ब्लॉक. बंदा
कर
टेंशन
देती
में रहे कि क्या हो गया ये.
This is the best part. Tips on how one should be able to make a perfect. Now the world is watching. How should one make it look cool, natural, not forced, and still not keep waiting for the refresh button? What should we do for Instagram?
For Instagram, first of all, be yourself.
Be yourself.
That's what I feel.
What if they don't like who you are? तुम लोग लगे हुए बहुत सालों से.
Their problem, not your problem. I think, you know, because if you're trying to fake anything, it's going to be visible. Half-hearted anything is visible. So go for it with all your heart. नहीं पसंद आए तो नहीं पसंद आए, ये मैं हूँ.
What about filters? हम लोग को filters. Are people into filters now or no filters? They are natural.
Filters.
गोरा होने के लिए.
Filters.
I use.
Only filters.
I
to be
use
used.
filters,
Yeah.
and everyone uses filters because if you don't, people are going to say बीमार हो गया.
मेरे को तो गोरा दिखना होता है, मैं इसलिए कर फिल्टर यूज
बहुत ही
कर रहा
खूबसूरत दिख रहा है, कोई टेंशन मत ले.
His color is so nice.
Thank you so
मुझे
much.
गोरा नहीं दिखना, you know. Honestly, when I smile now, my nose flares up. So I want a slimmer nose.
You want to? No. जरूरत
आप
नहीं
तो
है.
बहुत आगे निकल के फिल्टर की दुनिया में.
आप जब स्माइल में थोड़ा नोज. अच्छा एक चीज हम जानते हैं.
That's the only thing I do.
What shouldn't we do on social media?
What shouldn't we
Yeah,
do?
like what shouldn't we post or what should?
We should not make ourselves look those, you know, those really whitewashed pictures.
Yeah, that's
They're not nice.
मतलब बहुत आर्टिफिशियल लगता
आई
है.
थिंक शो ऑफ भी नहीं करना चाहिए. आई थिंक मोस्टली जो लोग हमें फॉलो करते हैं दे चेक अस आउट पूरा.
Correct.
राइट एंड हर कोई जो हम कर रहे हैं, जो हम डाल रहे हैं, जो वो नहीं कर सकते. दे कांट अफोर्ड दैट थिंग, राइट?
Correct.
सो आई थिंक यू शुड बी नेचुरल. यू शुडंट पोस्ट आई एम वेयरिंग गुच्ची, आई एम डूइंग दिस, आई एम डूइंग दैट.
I have booked the entire place,
Right.
the entire
So
plane.
be what you are. Don't show off. Don't pretend. And I think people gonna love that.
Correct.
And they are loving it. These are two successful artists in all forms. You know, and I think today being an artist is an all-round thing. Yeah, you can't just be into one world. Even the way you are, जैसे आप होते हो, the way you carry yourself, I think very important. Which is why I think that there's a lot of performers and there are few stars on Instagram and social media and all that, and that works. And like I said, the world's highest paid. So in case sometimes people think it's a futile discussion, the youngest billionaire in the world is a Kardashian. The youngest billionaire after Mark Zuckerberg is a Kardashian. So my argument ends there. No matter what, you can hate them, everything.
Right.
But if somebody is paying them that kind of money, a billionaire, yeah, she's 21. So let's just move on from that.
Wow.
Gana ho jaye, sir. She's 900 million with a cosmetic line at 20.
Wow.
Just great brain. It's knowing how to use everything. That's
Right.
is what made her.
And she has
also
a little
huge star.
baby also now.
No, that's Kim. Kim तो बहुत कम है.
No,
ये
Kylie
का भी
is a
baby है.
baby.
Yeah, baby भी है.
अरे
हाँ.
यार बेबी भी हो गया उनका ट्रेविस स्कॉट के
Stormy.
साथ.
So now imagine she's feeling the effects of Kylie, and we are thinking, dude, she's made $1 billion. Anyway, moving ahead. Let's have the track, bro.
All right. Baby, I need ya. Baby, I need ya. ਤੈਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਬਣਾ ਲਾਂ ਗੋਰੀਏ. ਗੱਲਾਂ ਤੇਰੀਆਂ ਕੈਰੇਮਲ ਬ੍ਰਾਊਨੀ ਜੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਖਾ ਜਾ ਗੋਰੀਏ. Baby, I need ya.
Caramel brownie. Now the lyrics.
ਗੱਲਾਂ ਤੇਰੀਆਂ ਕੈਰੇਮਲ ਬ੍ਰਾਊਨੀ ਜੀ
Do
ਕਰਦਾ
you
ਮੈਂ
like a
ਖਾ ਜਾ
caramel brownie? पिछली बार खाया था. Crystal तो नहीं खाती पक्का.
What?
Caramel brownie.
You
You
have
go
to
on
see how much I
Instagram और
eat.
सारा दिन
Instagram
desserts.
पर-
Desserts.
I like the food और खाते हुए बहुत अलग है.
I eat everything. I eat everything. I last night had creme brulee, like a whole thing alone.
फाउंटेन ऑफ यूथ है इन लोगों के पास.
हाँ,
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मुझे join
इनको
करने के
खाना
लिए.
लगता नहीं ना. हम तो खाने की तरफ देखते भी हैं तो आके लग जाता है
In
मोटापा.
front of him also.
Bro, तभी जिंदगी भर में ब्लैक पैंथर रहता.
See, black for life, all black.
जैकेट पहन रखा है उसके ऊपर. I will see you guys soon. You want to go check out the track, and of course the interview always there on B4U Entertainment. I think today's been a learning experience for all of us. We were waiting for Crystal to come and tell us what to do, and now we shall try and follow all that. And उसके बाद दोबारा unsuccessful रहेंगे, of course. We wait for her to again come to us and give us another little small tutorial. Bye bye.